Water is the source of life. In the landscape of China's environmental equipment manufacturing industry, there is an enterprise that has focused on just one thing for nearly 2 decades: solid-liquid separation in wastewater treatment. Founded in 2011 on the shores of Taihu Lake in Wuxi, Yosun Environmental boasts a 5,000 square meter multi-facility including laser cutting, shearing, bending, rolling, and a large painting booth, enabling integrated production from raw materials to finished products. Every process undergoes professional inspection and strict quality control, embodying the spirit of craftsmanship in every piece of equipment. With a professional design and service team, Yosun has secured a strong market share domestically and accumulated over 10 years of overseas service experience. Through years of iterative optimization, we have developed multiple dissolved air flotation equipment models suitable for different industries and water volumes, including R Series, KT Series, and QT Series, from pre-treatment to advanced treatment, from oil removal to water reuse. Yosun dissolved air flotation equipment has become a vital link in wastewater treatment processes. The lamellar clarifier is another flagship product of Yosun. Its surface loading rate is 2 to 4 times that of conventional sedimentation tanks, effectively saving floor space. The inclined plates are available in various materials, featuring high strength, easy cleaning, and flexible assembly. The sludge discharge is continuous and stable, preventing accumulation while achieving sludge reduction with adjustable moisture content. For nearly 2 decades, we have provided high-quality solutions to many well-known domestic and international enterprises across industries such as dairy, electronics, manufacturing, energy and chemicals, and municipal wastewater treatment. Our service network spans Southeast Asia, the Middle East, South America, Europe, and beyond. Our products are sold in many countries worldwide, and our global footprint is ever expanding. Integrity first, reputation paramount, continuous product upgrades, all for quality excellence. Wuki, Yosun Environmental, pursues nearly 20 years, all for the purity of water.